DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly news update for Pidgin English. Me wan like this week na una country brother Stanley Okocha. I beg my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this. Our first news for today na be the one when e concern
DJM TV.
Nigeria.
I love that.
You understand?
Yes.
Biafra don't exist, it don't come, and
Thank
it don't
you.
stay.
I love that.
Yes, Oduduwa Republic sef don come, we don stay.
Yes.
Make Buhari carry Hausa people dem, make dem go dey kill themselves.
Thank you.
Dr. Zulu wey talk say he want, say dey talk say Buhari say no Boko Haram again.
Yes.
Then the attack am, they wan kill am. Say no to herdsmen. In olden days, if people die, we go Hausa land go buy cow come with our money o.
Yes.
But now if one cow die, na woman dem go take replace am.
Oh Jesus.
Wetin happen?
Oh
Make we
God.
say no.
Na so.
Say no.
Na so.
Say no.
Na so.
Say no.
No so.
Biafra and Oduduwa, we don collabo together.
Thank you.
Understand?
Thank you,
Wetin
my
dem get
brother.
for north?
Thank you, my
Wetin
brother.
wetin dem get for north?
Nothing.
They get nothing.
No, nothing.
They got nothing.
They are just stealing our resources. They are stealing our resources.
Buhari dey borrow money.
Thank you.
Wetin dey take am do?
Nothing.
End of Nigeria military. Na Hausa he put for there.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
If they dey equip people, dem go change una. See wetin dey happen for north.
Oh. We are not
They
happy with them
arrest
again.
Boko Haram, they talk say they don repent.
We are tired of
They talk
Nigeria.
they don repent, they come employ John soldier.
Don't mind them.
Dem go
Is it
employ
possible?
Yoruba people, employ Igbo people for soldier, carry dem go north.
Go kill them.
Why they no put northern for north?
Thank you.
Nigeria, Yoruba and Biafra people for their land.
Thank you.
They
God
just
bless you.
fact about it. Fuck Buhari.
Thank you.
Fuck Tinubu sef wey no
You're
talk
welcome.
about this one.
You're
Go kill
welcome.
Tinubu.
I love you.
Fuck Fulani herdsmen.
I love you guys. I love you guys. Fuck them.
Yeah, no, Nnamdi Kanu
No.
one
Oh,
love.
thank
Abu
you.
dey cool, me be Yoruba boy, na me dey talk.
Na so,
One love.
confirm. Thank you. Yeah, as you can see, the rally is going on. The people are not happy with Nigeria again.
Nothing
So
to
we are not happy with
anybody.
Nigeria. Nigeria have gone and is gone forever. Is no longer coming back again. And we don't believe in one Nigeria.
Nothing like one
We
Nigeria
need to
again.
be separated. We need to go on our own. Oduduwa need to go on their own, and everybody need to go on their own. So one love. Yes, so. Nam.
Oduduwa and Biafra don join together. Wetin north,
That Siri man.
na every day Buhari dey borrow money. Wetin get am do? What does he take the money? Go dey kill the innocent guy who was in the hospital.
DJM TV.
my brother, my sister, if this one are the first time when you take dey watch our ogbonge news like this, I beg make you subscribe to our YouTube channel wey be DJM TV. Make you click on the notification bell so that you go continue dey receive hot ogbonge news like this.
DJM TV.